Hello everyone. And welcome back once again to another interesting video. In today's video we'll discuss how you can use Python for Android development, a complete beginner's guide. So if you are ready, let's start today's video. Developing Android applications with Python is possible through various frameworks and tools. While Python is not the primary language for Android development, Java and Kotlin are the most commonly used languages. You can use Python to create Android apps by following these steps. 1. Choose a Python framework. There are several frameworks and libraries that enable Android app development using Python. Some popular options include A. Kivy. Kivy is an open-source Python library that allows you to create multi-touch applications. It's cross-platform and works on Android, iOS, Windows, macOS, and Linux. B. BeeWare. BeeWare is a collection of tools and libraries that enable Python app development on various platforms, including Android. Toga and Briefcase are two tools that are part of the BeeWare suite for creating Android apps. C. Picdeploy. Picdeploy is a tool for creating standalone executables from PyQt5 applications, which can then be used on Android using the CuPython 3 app. 2. Set up your development environment. To get started, you'll need to install the necessary development tools, such as the Android SDK in Android Studio. Android Studio is the official IDE for Android app development. 3. Install the Python interpreter. Some Python frameworks come with their own Python interpreter. Ensure that you have the correct Python version installed, and make sure that your Python environment is set up correctly. 4. Create your Android app. Depending on the chosen framework, you can create your Android app using the framework's documentation and examples. Typically, you'll design the user interface, implement functionality, and define the app's behavior. 5. Test your app. You can test your Python-based Android app using an Android emulator provided by Android Studio or by connecting a physical Android device to your computer. Ensure that your app functions as expected on the Android platform. 6. Package and distribute your app. To distribute your app, you'll need to package it into an Android-compatible format, such as an APK or Android package. This process varies depending on the framework you are using. You might need to use additional tools like Buildozer for Kivy apps or Picdeploy for PyQt5 apps. 7. Publish your app. If you want to make your app available to others, you can publish it on the Google Play Store. This involves creating a developer account, paying a one-time registration fee, and following the store's guidelines for app submission. Keep in mind that while Python can be used for Android app development, it may not be as performant as Java or Kotlin, which are native Android languages. Additionally, not all Python libraries and features are fully compatible with the Android platform, so you may encounter limitations. Always refer to the documentation of the specific framework or tools you are using for the most up-to-date information and guidance on Python-based Android app development. That's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell for more content, so you don't miss any upcoming video. And, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring and keep coding. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.